this video, I would like to show you how you can reduce video file size using Handbrake. So Handbrake is a free software which is here, which you can download in your PC for free, or in case you are using MacBook or a Linux. So I have already Handbrake in my gadget, but I put the link in the description which can demonstrate to you how you can download and effectively install Handbrake in your gadget. So what we shall do, we shall just dive into the activity of compressing a video. So I just have a compressing project here, which is a video which I had downloaded using my PC. So this video is actually about 129 megabytes, but we want to compress it to the minimum size possible without losing the quality of the video. So what you're supposed to do is just get into your Handbrake app or software. So after getting into the Handbrake, you shall be popped up by this interface. Just choose 4 files. Then you just need to come to where you have saved your input project. So my input project is at a desktop. Let me click desktop. Under the compressing project input, so you can see the video is here. So it is a 3-minute video which is containing around 129 megabytes, which is to be logical. So we just click here. So after doing that, your video will be installed in Handbrake. So what you're supposed to do, just come to where we have video. After coming to where we have video, you just need to come to where we have frame rate. So where we have frame rate, just take it back to same source. Where we have variable frame rate, just make it to be constant to stop being variable. Where we have the encoder present, just choose it to be slow. And where we have the quality or constant quality, just choose RF23. Let us come here where we have summary and see if we can do something. So where we have summary, just choose web optimized, tick them. Then after doing this, you just need to browse and choose where you want your video to be saved. So I want to save my video into the desktop in a folder named as compressing project output. Just click there, then hit save. Then when you are through with doing this, just come in here and choose to start record in order now to start downloading the video. So to know that you have started recording or compressing the video, this icon will now be red rather than here named as stop. So it will just take you some minutes or just a minute or 3 to be through with compressing your project. So we shall just wait to see the miracle of Handbrake and how effective it is, being an offline software which you can use from offline and also free. Technically it is free, and the time it is taking to compress your project, you can take time and appreciate the power of Handbrake. So Handbrake is a very effective software which you can use to do a lot of your project and minimize the size of your videos in the smallest size possible. So let's wait and see the miracle of the software. So as you are waiting, you can go into your YouTube and please hit the subscribe button so that you will not be missing out any of our future running content like this. In case you have any query, you can feel free to post it in the comment section, and I promise you I will answer them promptly so that we can help each other. So the video now it is 100%, but when it is like you have finished, you can feel free to close the Handbrake software and now get into our compressing output. Our compressing output is here. So when we now touch him, you can see that our video have been compressed or reduced from, let me open the 2 tabs concurrently and let to demonstrate to you, and they are here. So you can see our input was 129 megabyte, but our output is now, I think I need some space here, so let me try and open it to be bigger. Take it out here, let me separate, so you can see now. Let me go to properties to see. So you can see now we have been able to reduce our video to a size of 6.8 megabytes, and our output and our input is view property. So our input was 129 megabytes, so I think is quite a good reduction in size. So you can compare them here concurrently, you can see them. So I think it's a good deal to use to download Handbrake and install it into your gadget to do some superb projects like this. So I have created a video with the link is in the description, showing you how you can be able to download and install Handbrake in your machine. So basically, thank you for watching. Please don't forget to give the video a thumbs up in order not to be missing out.